principle which is highlighted here is exactly this point. Go to the purposes behind getting things solved. This is exactly the reason why the client is coming to the consultant. Although on the surface, it looks like somebody has a small problem and that is to be solved. Go beyond that. Okay, go beyond that to the purpose in solving this particular problem. So we understand what will be the benefit the client is going to derive. It is not actually just the client. The consultant is also going to derive so many things. Again, not limited to financial remuneration, but also beyond that. For example, we had highlighted about the knowledge growth, which happens with every assignment. As far as the consultant is concerned, this is of primary importance. So you always should make it a point to apply the purposes principle. So do not get lost in the web of such small aspects of a problem. Or think about the larger perspective. Think about the purpose behind solving the particular problem so that you become more aware of how the client can leverage the problem to actually come out better at the end of the implementation of the solution. Okay. Now the next thing we have to move forward to is the solution after next principle, which is actually tied to innovation. The reason is that innovation can be stimulated and solutions made more effective by working backwards from an ideal target solution. Again, please understand one more thing. In the case of consulting assignments, although this is usually generally applicable, there are very clear exceptions. Don't think that the third principle, the solution after next is applicable everywhere. Okay, why we will understand now? Because this particular principle is based on the idea that with the consultant's experience, with the consultant's exposure to different situations, different contexts, the consultant or the consulting organization can visualize an ideal target solution. This is always possible. Please note the word ideal. There is a very strong emphasis on the particular word ideal, because as we have just said, each problem is unique and the purpose behind solving problems differ across organizations. So for a seasoned consultant, you cannot say the right solution is immediately produced, but an ideal solution can be always thought about and brought forth. But as we understand, ideal solutions have to be done what? Have to be changed or adapted to the real world. So when you think about the ideal target solution, you will find that that particular ideal solution can be applied to the client organization only if changes are brought into the way the solution is to be implemented. Now, exactly that is what the solution after next principle focuses on. So what it means is solutions can be made more effective by working backwards from an ideal target solution. Since we already know an ideal target solution, what we can do is we can put the client organization's problems as a starting point, immediately go to the target solution, which probably the seasoned consultant or the consulting organization will be able to come up with. Then get back to the organizational context, get back to the problem on hand, and adjust the different parameters or the different entities forming the solution, the ideal solution, to the needs of the client. So now what happens? It is no more the ideal solution. You are departing from the ideal solution and you are working backwards because you have already kept a solution in front of the client, which is actually the best possible ideal solution. in the ideal context. But you are now trying to adjust the different things which goes into that solution to the client's context. Now, when you try to adjust the different entities forming that particular solution, what you will find is that for each adjustment, you are actually incrementally solving the problem. That is, you are solving a particular aspect of the problem, then going to the next aspect, then moving to the next aspect, etc., etc. So when we work backwards from the ideal solution, keeping in mind the client perspective in the right sense, we are actually applying the solution after next. That is, we are